what's going on, guys? It's the Green Mama, and today we are playing Kitty Cat Island. There we go. There. Kitty Cat Island. I just found this randomly, and since I have 5 cats, I thought, why not? And I even have a cat with me. I'll do 5 episodes, maybe even 10, maybe even 15, yeah, maybe even 20, maybe even 25. Just a lot of videos of this. I'm gonna do at least 5. I have this good old actual thermometer. No, the heartbeat thing. You put it. It's actually real. You put it in your ears, and Tigger. Yeah, I have a cat with me. I don't know if I mentioned that. Oh, make sure to like and subscribe. Click that little notification bell. It'll tell you every time I upload. I can hear him talking. I mean meowing. I mean breathing. I can't hear his heartbeat. You had no soul. Okay, I will reveal the cat. Look at this. There, say hi. Oh, he wants to kiss you. Okay, say hi, Tigger. Tigger. Say hello to the camera. Tigger, it's not for... I have no idea what he did. I think he started the island. I think he started it. Okay. Place the positions of the 2 fish. Catch the selected fish. Catch the 1, 2 level fishes. Okay. What? This is weird. I don't know if I like this. Okay, I'm gonna have to make these really small. Okay. Touch the sea of the following displayed. Okay. Okay. So what is this? Get. Ooh, do you want to see something I found? Okay, I'm gonna have to pause the video. Okay, I'm back. I don't want you guys to see the thing. Oh, I got 27 pearls. What is... Oh! Okay. Oh, I get it. Okay, breed those to breed those. Ooh, oh, okay, so those are the things on my island. Oh, okay, so, here, let me get my face cam bigger. So this is basically a collector's game where you breed. Breed those equals crabs, 2 crabs equals a squid. How does that make sense? Oh, wait, I see something. Where's your photo? No, I can't. Okay. My next video is going to be a Minecraft video. I'm going to upload this, and then I'm going to upload a Minecraft video. Right now, I'm going to try to get as many of these as I can. So... Tigger, stay. Tigger, wait. Tigger, you gotta... Okay, Tig, you're gonna be in the video with me and you're gonna like it. Lay down. You just Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Right up here. Yeah, he's trying to look at you. Okay. Leave a like and a comment if you want me to do more of these videos. I will do more of these, but just in case you really want them, then leave a comment down below saying you do. Boop. Bop. Ooh, Dory! We got Dory. There. Can you hear that? Wait, hear Tigger. He's so loud. That kind of sounds like, sorry, I just completely spaced out. Well, my batteries are 15%. Might have to plug this in soon. Squid. Need 2 squids. Plus 8. There we go. Boop. Bop. There we go, crab. Bring that down. Squid, 2 squid equals 2 of those. This is a really fun game. I really enjoy this. It's like a puzzle. This is really, really hard. Why can I not do this? This game's like impossible. You cannot move anymore. Come on. I want this. Okay, let's do fishing. Let's cat. Choose a kitty. Okay. I hate doing this. I'm gonna try to get all of my cats. This one will be Duma. Oh, darn it. Don't have enough. I need 1,000 fish. No! I can't do that. Darn it, I can't. I'm so sorry. No! I want this kitty now. I'm just gonna... Come on. I need that cat. Oh, that one kind of looks like Tid. But I need that one. That one looks like Duma. Duma is the mom, so I'm gonna try... Wait, what did the other one look like? Go back. Oh, the other one looks like Cleo. Perfect. Okay. Need 1,000. Darn it. I don't care what I do as long as I get 1,000. Is this so weird? Wait, look at what I'm doing. Oh, this. Look at this. Look at this. Woo! Look at that fall. Okay, let's actually do a strategy. Boop. 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 Boopity boop. Okay. Oh, I have 1,000. Okay, I have 1,000. Kitties. Duma! Yay! I have Duma! I might bring Duma into the next video. Just so you know what she looks like. Because that actually looks like Duma. Oh, she's so happy. Oh my god! That black one is Cleo. My other cat. Wait, oops, no. Okay, view. Okay. I think I'm doing good. I'm not very sure. Oh no. That way? This is like a really hard puzzle. Come on. The orange one looks like my dead cat Mouse, so technically I have 6 cats. Mouse was the dad. Here we go. Okay. There. Ooh. Come on. Darn it. Okay, how long have I been recording? 13. I might... No! Wait a minute. Did I just mess up? I think that ad was for Minecraft. Oh, I'm gonna do a Minecraft video after that. Oh my god. Oh my god, Bethany. Oh my god, Bethany, I love these cats. Oh my god. Oh my god, Bethany. Oh my god, Bethany. You know I don't like Todd. Yeah, well now I have a squid, okay. Do this. Make sure to like and subscribe this video for more videos of this. I'm gonna definitely do more because I really like this game. Let me just maybe get to 1,000 again, I guess. I don't really know anymore. This is kind of a really mellow game. Okay. I'm sorry if I don't really talk that much in my videos. I just don't really know what to say. Okay. That's what the new fish is? Oh, that's cool. Ooh, we really enjoy this. There. Come on. I can't move anymore. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Come on. This is so hard. Okay, this video ends when I get Mouse. Oh. I can't grab Mouse because he's dead, and if I do grab him, I'll probably get like demonetized or something. It's not like I don't make any money anyway. My parents don't even know how to set a credit card up. Come on. Please. Yes. Okay. Okay, let me just get these. 2. These. Yes! It's a stingray. Okay, let me get Mouse. Okay. Mouse! Come back! Oh, yes. Okay, what's this? Oh. Whoa. Hey, freaky. Okay, it's been 18 minutes. Let me just figure out how to save this. Jesus. The cats to expand the island. Have enough fish to the cats will be happy to hear your stuff. Settings. Save. No. No. What's this? I don't know. Oh, that's volume? Okay, fine. Okay, guys. I don't even have that. Okay, wait, let me go back to my... Okay. I think I'm pretty happy. Okay. This game is really addicting. Oh, yes. Yeah.
There's in a pineapple under the sea. Not me, not me. Oh, this is so addicting. I just really want to play it. Okay, guys. That's going to be it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed. And say goodbye to Tigger. Tigger, come here. Tigger, say goodbye. Tigger, say goodbye. Say goodbye forever. Tigger, I thought you were supposed to talk more. That's me. Okay, guys, that will be it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, go and leave a like and comment down below. What video ideas do you want next? And I'll see you in the next one. Tigger says bye. Oh! Our phone's at 5%. Okay. Tigger? So fans, say bye. What do you have to say? Nothing? Okay. Okay, bye. I gotta go. Bye!